Hello guys, today we'll see how to convert the infix expression to the postfix expression. Here on the screen you can see a simple infix expression is written and step by step we will convert it to the postfix expression. Here you can see opening bracket is given a plus b minus c multiplied by e upon f inside bracket minus again inside bracket g minus h upon I. It's a simple infix expression. Now we will convert it to the postfix expression. As you know that while converting the infix expression to postfix expression, some rules you have to follow. Which are those rules? That algorithm we have studied. So in short, I will revise that algorithm. If opening bracket appears, push it on the stack. If your expression already contains the first character as opening bracket, it's okay. Otherwise, you can add a opening bracket. If your expression contains last character as a closing bracket, it is okay. If not, you can add a closing bracket. If a opening bracket appears, simply push it on the stack. If an operand appears, simply display it in the postfix expression. If an operator appears, then what to do? If an operator appears in your expression, compare it with the stack top. If preference of incoming operator is equal to the preference at stack top, then pop stack top to the postfix expression and push incoming operator on the stack. First rule. Second, if incoming operator has lower precedence than that of the stack top, then pop stack top to the postfix expression and push incoming operator on the stack. Third rule, if incoming operator has higher precedence than that of the stack top, do not do anything. Just push incoming operator on the stack. And the last thing you have to remember, if a closing bracket appears, pop the contents of the stack top till opening bracket appears in the stack. Now we'll see how this expression get converted to the postfix expression. Now you have to scan the expression. You have to scan the expression and once you scan it character by character, then you can decide. Now first character is your opening bracket, push it on the stack. Second character coming is A, so display it in the postfix expression. Third character coming is a plus sign, push it on the stack. As operator is coming, you are going to compare it with the stack top, but on stack top only opening bracket is present, so you need not to worry about it. Just display, just push your operator on the stack. Now after that you can see B is coming, display it in the postfix expression. After B you can see minus sign is coming. Now you have to compare incoming operator minus sign with the stack top plus sign. So equal preference is there. Hence you are popping stack top to the postfix expression and pushing incoming operator on the stack. Hence plus sign will be popped and minus sign is pushed on the stack. After minus sign you can see in your expression C is coming, so display it in the postfix expression. After that closing bracket is coming, so as closing bracket is coming, ignore the closing bracket, pop the contents of the stack top, pop the contents of the stack, and then opening bracket appears, so leave it. Now your stack is empty and this is your postfix expression. Now, after the closing bracket, you can see that multiplication sign is coming. So multiplication, push it on the stack. After multiplication sign, opening bracket is coming. So again push it on the stack as it is opening bracket. Just push it on the stack. After opening bracket, E is coming. So display it in the postfix expression. After E, you can see division operator is coming. So compare it with stack top. Stack top is containing opening bracket. So leave it and push your division operator on the stack. After that, F is coming. So F will go inside the postfix expression. After F, closing bracket is coming. So closing bracket, as it comes, you have to pop the contents of the stack till you encounter a opening bracket. So division sign is only there, it will be popped, and then closing bracket is ignored, opening bracket is ignored. After that, minus sign is coming. So you need to compare this minus sign as it is having lower precedence than that of the stack top. Stack top is containing multiplication sign. So you will be popping multiplication sign to the postfix expression and minus sign is pushed on the stack. So this is rule 2. Push the lower precedence operator on the stack while you pop stack top. After minus sign, you can see a opening bracket is coming. So simply push it on the stack. After opening bracket, now G is coming. So G will be displayed inside the postfix expression. After G, minus sign is coming. So there is only opening bracket on the stack top. So push minus sign on the stack. After minus sign, H is coming. So H will be displayed in the postfix expression. After H, division operator is coming. Division operator will be pushed on the stack as incoming operator division is having higher precedence than that of the stack top minus operator, and hence you are doing nothing, just pushing the higher precedence operator on the stack top. After division operator, you can see in the expression I is coming. So I will be displayed inside the postfix expression. After I, now you can see that closing bracket is coming. So as closing bracket appears, you need to pop the contents of your stack top. So division operator is popped first, then minus sign is popped. Now only one minus sign is remaining on the stack. Opening and closing brackets are ignored, and then that remaining minus sign will also be popped, as here your expression is ended. So this is what your result is for the given expression. Your expression was a plus b minus c multiplied by e upon f minus g minus h upon I, and here you get the result as a b plus c minus ef upon multiplied by ghi upon minus minus. This is what your resultant postfix expression. So here you can see how you have converted the infix expression to postfix expression. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.